In this video, we will learn how to change Tally data folder location and export folder location in Tally Prime. We are going to learn how we can set a new Tally data folder location and export folder location in Tally Prime. And also we will learn how to set a particular company to load automatically with the startup Tally Prime. First of all, we will learn how to set export folder location. Export folder is that folder where all the exported documents are saved. When we export any invoices, ledgers or any other reports, then these are saved in a particular folder. By default, all these exported documents are saved in a particular folder. We can change the folder location. We can set any folder location as we want. Let's see how it is done. For that, we have to press Alt T short key, or we can click this export button. From here, we have to go to configuration. And here you can see that E drive is the export files location. If we want to select this folder, then we have to go to this folder. You can see that this folder is blank. Now we have to copy the path of this folder. Click here and press Ctrl C. Now we will go to Tally Prime and we have to press enter here. Now we have to go to specify path and here we have to paste the folder location. Now we have to press Ctrl V. After that we have to press enter key and we have to press enter key again. Now you can see that folder location has been changed. If we export any report, then it will be saved in that particular folder. Let's export something. To export, press Ctrl E. Now you can see that folder path has been changed. File is being exported. Now you can see that exported file is there in this folder. So we have learned how to change export folder location in Tally Prime. Now we will learn how to change Tally data folder location. Tally data folder is that folder in which we save the data of any company. We can't load any company in Tally Prime if we don't save its data in this folder. Now let's learn how to set a new Tally data folder location. For this we have to press F1 key. We have to go to about and press enter. Here we can see the location of company data and we have to press enter here. To change Tally data folder location, we have to go to specify path and press enter key. Let's go to the desired folder. If you want to select this folder, then we have to copy the path of this folder. Now we will come to Tally Prime and paste the copied path here and press enter key. Now you can see that Tally data folder location has been changed. Now we will learn how to load a particular company automatically with the startup Tally Prime. If you make regular entries in a company, then you can set this company as default company to load, which means that this company will be automatically loaded with the startup Tally Prime. You don't have to open it manually when you start Tally Prime. So let's learn how to do it. For this we have to press F1 key. Then we have to go to about and now we have to go to companies to load on startup. Select this and press enter key. Now you will see a list of companies which you have saved in your Tally data folder. You have to select any one of these companies. Now let's select preferred company and press enter key. Now we have to select end of list and press enter here. Now the desired company has been set and this company will load automatically each time the tally starts. You don't need to select it manually. So in this video you have learned how to set Tally data folder location and export folder location in Tally Prime, and also you have learned how to set a particular company to load automatically with the startup Tally Prime. Subscribe this channel to get more such videos.